Welcome to Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to overview our Ductmaster Industrial TDF Folder. This is a 2.5 long, it's pneumatic operated, and it's basically designed for folding TDF HVAC ducting. We've got a sample piece here that has a double TDF profile on it, 25mm TDF on both sides, and as you can see, there's slots all the way along so you can fold up your TDF ducting. Simple in operation. We've got a foot pedal control that actually opens it up and then she closes it down again. So the beauty about this folder here, it has a very small narrow head so you can fold short ductwork, maybe up to about say 200 square like that, and do a full return fold. So we're just going to do a first fold here. So as you can see, nice and fast in operation, and that's what you want for pumping out that ductwork to meet those contracts. So we'll open it back up again, and bring this forward. And this one will actually wrap around the back. So we'll clamp this now, and then fold the second bend. How's that? So that's two sides of your HVAC ducting. 2500 long, Ductmaster Industrial HVAC Folder. Jump onto assetplant.com.au and find the rest of our shipping machinery. Thanks and have a great day.